In this walkthrough, I'll show you how batch order fulfillment works in Ordoro. To demo this, I'm going to select 2 orders. In practice, you could have hundreds or even thousands of orders in a batch, but for this example, I'll use these 2. Let's say my workflow is to print the pick list and packing list first. That way, the warehouse team can pick the orders, put the items into boxes, and then move into label creation. I've selected these orders, and now I'm going to attach a packing list and a pick list. The packing list is highly configurable. You can choose whether to include barcodes, product images, notes, batch IDs, dates, and other details. Some teams prefer to group the pick list by SKU, so as they walk through the warehouse, they can pick all units of the same SKU at once. For example, across a batch of orders, the team might need to pick 20 units of one SKU and 30 units of another. Grouping by SKU helps make that pick flow more efficient. You can also choose which printer to use for each document. Now I'm going to print these documents. Ordoro will print the packing list for each order. Here's the first order, and here's the second order. Each packing list includes a barcode, which I'll talk about in another workflow. The pick list shows exactly what needs to go into each order. At this point, the warehouse team can go through the warehouse, pick the required items, and place the right quantities into each box. Once that is done and the orders are ready for shipping labels, I can move into label creation. I'll select the orders and click Create Labels. The carriers and shipping methods can already be configured behind the scenes, so Ordoro knows which service to use for each order. A batch can also include a mix of carriers. For example, in a batch of 100 orders, 5 might ship with FedEx, 10 might ship with UPS, and the rest might ship with USPS. So even though the orders are being processed together, each order can still use the right carrier and service. Now that the labels are created, I can print the full batch of shipping labels. In this example, I printed the pick list, the packing lists, and the shipping labels for the selected orders. From there, the team can place the labels on the boxes and ship the orders out. This is the next level of fulfillment. Instead of processing orders one by one, the team can fulfill orders in batches, which helps speed up warehouse operations and keep shipping moving efficiently.